here's a tool that I think you should own. This is my hammer set. Now, if you've never used a slide hammer, the name is pretty self-explanatory. The meat and potatoes of it is this thing right here. It's this long rod with threading at one end and just this 5-pound weight. And you use any of these adapters to get the threaded end attached to whatever it is that you want moved. And then you just slide this 5-pound hammer back, and with all your might, it's essentially the same thing as if you were hammering on the back of something with a 5-pound sledge. But a lot of times you don't have that kind of access. So slide hammers are extremely useful for kind of specific stuff. You might have rented one or borrowed one for pulling a hub. I think I bought this when I needed to pull the axle shafts on a Mopar 8 3/4 rear end. But it's the kind of tool that if you have it in your shop, you're going to be amazed at how often you're pulling it out, especially if you get a set like this that includes all of the accessories. It has a couple of different hub adapters. It has just this little hook adapter that allows you to kind of get behind stuff. This adapter allows you to replace the threaded screw on the back of a pair of vice grips, and you can pull off a set of vice grips. It has both 2 and 3 jaw puller setups, so you can do either a 2 or a 3 jaw pull, and it includes just a regular drawbar, so you can take this 2 and 3 jaw puller set and use it without the slide hammer just as a regular drawn puller. So really useful. A lot of the times when I pull this thing out, I don't even need the slide hammer. I just need these accessories to adapt to something that I'm trying to pull off with something else. So this set has really been worth its weight in gold. I bought it when I was, like I said, doing axle shafts. I paid about $120 for this set. It was a lot of money at the time. It's honestly still kind of a big investment for a tool. But over the years, I'm shocked at how often I'm pulling this thing out. And it's made disassembling stuff so much faster and so much easier. And I definitely recommend that you should have a slide hammer set in your shop.